Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas, Mommy.
Merry Christmas, Mommy.
What is it? What is it?
What is that?
Do you know what it is? Daddy, get some
A
pictures.
motorcycle.
A motorcycle for Keegan. Oh. Here. Here, hand it here. Where's your helmet? Here, Daddy, you do the video. Gotta wear it. What do you wear on a helmet to be safe? What do you wear on a motorcycle to be safe?
A helmet.
That's right. And what else do you wear? Gloves.
Gloves.
What do you think about it? Hey, what's that stuff? Is that more surprises? You want to see you? Oh boy.
My train track. And this is my train track.
That's for your train tracks?
No, that.
That? Yeah.
And the bus.
Yeah. You like it? What do you think about that? You can get on your motorcycle and go to the store?
You know, your motorcycle moves.
Yeah, you want to see?
Press the gas.
What do you think about that? You want to try it?
Put your helmet on.
Do you want me to help you? You can do it. Hey. That's funny. Need some help?
Okay. Oh, good job. Alright, get on. And you press the pedal. Look, no, watch. Stop.
We're going to have to take it outside, okay? It's an outside toy. But what do you think about it?
How cool is that? Do you like that? Here. Press it now.
Stop, lift your foot. Alright, outside toy. Oh my gosh.
So, buddy, so you press this to go forward and this to go backward. Forward. Stop.
Hey, show mommy. Look at mommy. Keegan.
What's this? Me?
Oh yeah, that was a good picture. were smiling your head off.
Look at me, buddy. Hey. Hey.
Do you want to check out your other toys? And what we can do is get dressed and you can go outside and ride on your motorcycle.
Okay. I love you, buddy.
You were cute. Okay. All right, take your foot off. You gotta take your foot off because you don't want to hit people. You like it? I bet you do. I love you. Give me a kiss. Merry Christmas, everybody.